Now let's talk about the Home Depot. The Home Depot has a variety of products, and they're mostly based on do-it-yourself products. Of course, they have the home improvement, construction, and so on. They do also carry brands of their own. They offer fast shipping, and they have great prices for a lot of their products. Of course, in the Home Depot website, you can also discover how we can help with your next project. So they have tutorials that will show you how to maybe fix some easy things around the house. So looking at all of the departments, you can see that there are hundreds of them, from the smallest things to huge barn doors and interior doors and DIY storage and so on.